Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to stop or prevent Opera from turning on background processes when you turn on your computer. So a lot of web browser nowadays actually have different process that run always in the background of your computer. Basically, that when you launch the browser, it appears that it loads quicker when in reality there's already something in the memory that always running. And recently, many Opera users complained that when they upgraded or installed Opera newer versions, the browser started opening automatically as soon as they log into their user account in the Windows operating system. When a user starts his computer and the desktop loads, Opera browser automatically appears on your user computer screen. Then I'll show you how to turn that features off. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser. And then dito sa top left corner, and then select mo lang dito yung Opera logos. Click mo lang yan. And then next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down. And then dito lang sa on startup. And then next, ay select mo lang dito yung run when my computer starts. Kung paano ba natin ito disable or stop to prevent. So, dito sa right side, click mo lang tong button niya and then, ganyan siya. So, naka-disable na siya or naka-stop. Kung gusto mo naman itong enable, so click mo lang tong button niya. Okay? So, ganito na. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-stop ang Opera from opening when I turn on my computer. Okay? So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.